Welcome to Route 22 Nissan, where we sell a lot for a little, not a little for a lot. Customers have many choices at the lowest prices only at Route 22 Nissan. No other dealership can beat our pricing on new Nissan models, such as the Nissan Xterra, the original Rockstar. Route 22 Nissan is the best place to shop for the Nissan Xterra because our offers cannot be beat. We are very negotiable and are willing to accept any reasonable request for personalized pricing. The Nissan Xterra is the high mark other sport utility vehicles hope to achieve. Its attractive exterior design has yet to be duplicated. The Nissan Xterra offers superior off-road ability and all the versatility required to make it a cargo packing champion. Route 22 Nissan customers will love the Nissan Xterra's V6 engine, widely regarded roof rack, towing ability of up to 5,000 pounds, electronic brake force distribution, tubular step rails and skid plates, side steps built into the rear bumper for easy roof rack access, 3 12-volt DC power outlets, Bluetooth, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, underfloor cargo storage area, easy clean cargo area, and 60/40 split-fold flat rear seats with removable rear seat cushions. We price our vehicles so low that the factory has asked us not to price tag them because other dealerships are unable to sell their cars. Come to Route 22 Nissan to take a test drive and experience Route 22 Nissan's unbeatable prices today.